Hi everyone, from today we are starting our PPC series where we will study and discover Amazon PPC structure and strategy step by step. Today's video is the foundation because if you understand Amazon PPC structure clearly, then the entire Amazon algorithm will start making sense to you. So let's start by campaign types. On Amazon, there are three types of campaigns exist: sponsored product campaigns, sponsored brand campaigns, and sponsored display campaigns. Sponsored product campaigns are the most important one, and generally any brand's 80 to 90% spends goes to these type of campaigns because its primary goal is to rank on keywords, capture high intent traffic, and drive conversions, while sponsored brand campaigns are used to build brand awareness and to capture the customers in their early search journey on Amazon, and sponsored display campaigns are used for audience targeting and to capture competitors audience. Its primary goal is retargeting, re-engage shoppers, and expand our targeting beyond the keyword searches. Now let's dive into the structure of sponsored product campaigns. There are two types of campaigns exist. First is auto campaigns and second is manual campaigns. In auto campaigns, Amazon decides where to show your product depending on your listing content. It is great for discovering new keywords, discovering new product to product opportunities, and to test your product's relevancy to the Amazon algorithm. In manual campaigns, we give the keywords to Amazon to target, and this is where control and product launch and scaling strategy begins. Now, further in manual campaigns, there are two types of targeting. First is keyword targeting, and second is product targeting. In keyword targeting, we target search terms or keywords which are great for ranking and scaling on the keywords. While in product targeting, we target competitor ASINs which are great for capturing competitors' traffic and to increase visibility. Now, further in manual campaigns, Amazon gives us the option of four match types to target: exact match, phrase match, broad match, and broad modifier. In exact match, if we give a keyword dog bowl or to Amazon to target, so our ad will appear if a customer search term exactly the same like dog bowl, then our ad will appear. In phrase match, if we target dog bowl, so our ad will appear if in a customer search term this phrase is in the same order, like dog bowl for puppies, because we targeted dog bowl. So if a customer searches dog bowl for puppies, our product will show. If a customer searches stainless steel dog bowl, our product will appear too. Now, what happens in broad match if we give a keyword dog bowl to Amazon? So our ad may appear if a customer search term contains a dog, consists a dog, or if a search term consists a bowl, or both searches, both keywords in different placement. So our ad will still appear. Now, the last one is broad modifier, and it's a very unique match type which gives us more control to the broad campaigns. How it is being used, we need to add a plus sign before a keyword. Like what was happening in broad campaigns when we were targeting dog bowl. So our ad was appearing if a customer query contains dog or even bowl. So our ad will appear. If we are giving Amazon keyword like this, dog plus bowl, so we are saying to algorithm, show our product only if a customer search term contains both, doesn't matter the placement, in the start or in the last or in the middle, dog and bowl. Like the proper way to use is dog plus bowl. So it gives us more control. Similarly, in the auto campaigns, there are four match types exist, which are close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements. As we discussed before, in auto campaigns, Amazon decides where to show your product. But we can control visibility like nature of the product, so these match types. In close match, Amazon shows our product close which are closely related to our keywords. Like if we are selling dog bowl, so in close match, Amazon will show us on the keywords dog bowl, large dog bowls, medium dog bowls for small dogs. It will automatically show us. Now, what happens in loose match? In loose match, Amazon expand our targeting, which are somehow related to our niche. Like if our product is dog bowl we are selling, so in loose match, it may show us on pet bowl. It wasn't dog bowl, but somehow it is related to our category. Now, in substitutes, Amazon shows our products to competitors' ASINs. And in complements, Amazon shows our product to complementary products. Like if we are selling in a dog niche and we are selling a dog bowl, Amazon may show us our product relevant to the niche, which can be like if a customer purchases dog bowl, maybe he can purchase any other dog accessory like dog ball. So Amazon will show us to complementary products of the niche. So now besides match types, Amazon also gives us control at placement level. There are three types of placements in sponsored product campaigns: top of search placement, rest of search placement, and product pages. Top of search placements are the first 1 to 4 sponsored searches on page 1. These have high CPC but best for ranking campaigns and have higher conversion rate. Rest of search placement are all the other searches below top of search on page 1 and so on page 2 and 3. These have low CPC than top of search and they're also good for ranking campaigns and have good conversion rate. In product pages, Amazon shows our ads to the competitors' product detail pages. So it's better for competitors ASIN targeting to get their audience to our listing. So these are the placements which exist in sponsored product campaigns. So far in today's video, we have discussed Amazon campaign types, auto versus manual targeting, keyword versus product targeting, how many match type exist and what's their usage and how they work, and Amazon sponsored product placements. So this was the most foundational video of Amazon PPC structure. From next videos, we will discover how the structure of sponsored brand campaigns looks like, how it works, and how the structure of sponsored display campaigns looks like.